Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. My name is DeVonté Montoya, and today we're going to be talking about the Navy Federal Cash Rewards credit card. Now, that's a lot to say, so I like to call it my little green card. More on that and more coming up next. Alright, you guys, so let's jump into it. We're going to be talking about what it looks like first. So it has your name on the front. It's green. It says Cash Rewards. Mine is a Visa. It also comes in MasterCard. Navy Federal Credit Union on the top there. It has your number on the back. Has your expiration, your CVV for more security, so that way it stays in the back and not in the front. 24-hour customer service, phone number. So that's what it looks like. Alright, guys, so let's talk about the main reason why you clicked on this video. What are the rewards? What are the rates? What are the fees? What are the features, right? So let's talk about the rates first. So right now on their website as September 2020, their purchase and balance transfer variable APR is between 9.65% and 18%. 9.65% is pretty good. It's opposed to my Southwest credit card, you guys, that I just checked. It's at 19.99% EPR, purchase EPR. Like, that blows my mind because when I got approved for this one, I'm at 9.65%. So a whole 10% lower than my Southwest credit card. Fees. There's no annual fees on the credit card, no balance transfer fees, no foreign transaction fees, no cash advance fees. All of this is pretty good, you guys, but as far as I'm concerned, the main thing I'm looking at is the no annual fees and the balance transfer fees. That is the biggest reason why I got this credit card. They actually sent me a letter in the mail asking me if I wanted to sign up for this card because they had a special promotion of 0% APR for 12 months on balance transfers. And there's no balance transfer fee. So that's the main reason why I got the card. And I didn't have to pay interest for a year. Awesome, great. Also, there's no annual fees. I don't really like a credit card with annual fees unless the benefits are going to outweigh the annual fee, but I tend to stick to cards that don't have annual fees, this being one of them. No foreign transaction fees. I stay in the country for most part. So that doesn't really matter to me. No cash advance fees. I'm at a point where I've never used a cash advance. I don't think I will ever use a cash advance. So if I have to, there's no fees involved. If you have to, if that's something you're looking for, no fees if you need to do that. Rewards, 1.5% cash back on purchases. Now, I was reading it a little bit earlier, you guys. So these are just everyday purchases. Regular, if you're going to get groceries, you're going to get gas, you're going to go shopping. It's not you don't earn 1.5% back on. I'm going to read the description here. It says balance transfers, cash advances, convenience checks, fees of any kind, finance charges, late fees, reloading a gift card, prepaid cards. So you're not going to get 1.5% on anything like that. Everyday purchases. So, like I said, if you're going to get gas or anything like that, you're going to get 1.5% back on that. Another good benefit to this one, or reward, it's saying is that you can start redeeming your rewards as soon as you earn them. So as opposed to, I have a Bank of America credit card. So as opposed to that Bank of America credit card, I have to wait till I think it's like $25 in rewards until I'm able to redeem it. And with this one, you're able to redeem, as soon as you get the reward, you're good to go. So that's a good benefit on there. So more on the features and benefits of this credit card, and I think a lot of other Navy Federal credit cards in general, I had no idea about these. Like, this is, honestly, it blows my mind because, one, I have the card. I didn't know this was available, and I've never even heard of cards allowing you to do this. So one is cell phone protection coverage. What that means is if you pay your cell phone bill with your Navy Federal Credit Cash Rewards card, they have a special program with cell phone protection. Meaning, like, let me just read it for you. Your Navy Federal credit card can provide extra protection for your cell phones. Simply pay your monthly cell phone bill with your Navy Federal Visa or MasterCard. And to go a little bit more into depth, I think it's for, they said somewhere in here, if you're not able to make a call or anything like that, you can make a claim through Navy Federal for your phone. But it's not in regards to if it's stolen or if it's cracked, cosmetic stuff, like just the functionality of it. So I didn't even know if that was possible. That's crazy. That's like, I've never even heard of that. Like, that's cool. Like, all I have to do is use my card, pay my phone bill, and it's covered through Navy Federal. Who would have thought? That's awesome. Another thing that I was reading earlier, you guys, is the collision damage waiver. Now, what that is say if you're renting a car for less than 15 days, your rental is covered as long as you use your card. I've never heard of that either. So let me read it. With your Navy Federal Visa card, you automatically have, collision damage waiver, which is CDW coverage when you rent a car for 15 days or less and pay for the rental with your covered rewards card. The CDW coverage is secondary to any other applicable insurance or coverage available to you. Coverage includes physical damage, theft of the rental vehicle, reasonable towing charges, valid loss of use charges imposed by the auto rental company, as well as your deductible and any other eligible amounts not covered by other insurance. I didn't even know that was a thing. That's crazy. That blows my mind. I don't rent cars a lot, which I've never rented a car actually. But I mean, if somebody who wants more coverage for that type of thing, use the card. That's awesome. I didn't even know they offered anything like that. As far as the cell phone protection, I have Verizon. So if I use my debit or my checking and routing, they'll give me like a $5 discount every month. For me, it's either I get the $5 if I use my debit, or if I use my credit, I'll get coverage on my phone. And I'm pretty good with my cell phone, you guys. It lasts me, several years. So I think I'm going to stick to my debit. But I mean, if you want to go with this and have extra protection on your phone, that's a great benefit. I didn't even know that was a thing on the card until I started researching more for this video. They also offer tap to pay, no reward expiration. So as long as you keep your account open, your rewards will never expire. As long as you keep your account open, there's no rewards limit, which is great. There's some companies that cap you at your credit limit. At your rewards limit, and with the cash rewards, there's no cap. So if you want to go spend 24 grand and pay it off and do it again, you're gonna keep all your rewards. There's not gonna be a penalty or anything like that. Another thing I want to talk about, it seems pretty easy to get a high credit limit on this card. When I applied, I got 24,100 as my credit limit. And looking at a couple other videos on YouTube, for the most part, it seems like that's pretty common to get approved for that amount. I've seen one video on there where a younger gentleman got approved for like $1,000, but I think he's in the beginning stages of building his credit, things like that. So I feel like it's super easy to get a high credit limit on this card. So if that's something you're looking for, this is a great option. Also, I wanted to mention, now through January 21st, now through January of 2021, they're offering low intro APR and earn $150 bonus cash. You can save on interest with 0% intro APR on purchases for 6 months. After that, a variable APR between 9.65 and 18 applies. Plus, earn $150 bonus cash back when you spend $2,000 within 90 days of account opening. So if within 3 months of opening your card, you have to spend $2,000 in order to get $150 bonus cash. I've seen better deals. I've heard of better deals. I've used better deals. I didn't get that one for this because it was a balance transfer, but honestly, that's a lot of money just for $150. So, if you're going to spend $2,000, why not? But if not, I wouldn't sign up just for that reason. Like I said, it's a great benefit if you're already going to do it. So if you're going to spend $2,000 or have a hefty purchase, might as well, right? All right, so my thoughts on this card. I think it's a pretty good card. It has good benefits. It has, unique benefits, like with the cell phone coverage and the rental coverage, which like I said, I've never even heard of before. It's pretty good. What they say it's best for is cash back, everyday spending, and average to excellent credit. So as far as the cash back, there's a lot of better cards out there. Like I said, my Bank of America does a lot better with cash rewards. Everyday spending, honestly, if you're not going to pay off your card and you're going to get the interest, I would use my Navy Federal over the other ones, especially my Southwest, because 19% sounds a whole lot worse than 9%. And it will show on big purchases. So in regards to all the benefits and everything like that, you guys, I think it's a really good card. I think it's a really good starter card. I think the biggest benefit that would help me if I need to make a really big purchase, that credit limit is amazing. And that APR is, like I said, the best APR that I've had on any of my cards. Overall, it's a really good credit card. You guys, let me know what your experiences are with this card, and what you think about it, and if there's another credit card that I should look into on Navy Federal, let me know about that one, if there's a better benefits on other cards. I know they offer an array of other credit cards, but this is my first one with them, and everything's going good so far. That's today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for coming. If you like today's content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. What is your favorite credit card and what's the best benefit about it? I'm kind of want to see what other credit cards are out there. I think I'm going to get another one here soon. So let me know what your guys' favorites are. If you like today's content and you want to see more, guys, don't forget to subscribe down below and click the bell notification icon to get notified anytime I upload a brand new video. If you guys want to interact with me beyond today's video, don't forget to add me on my social media. I'm going to put it up here on the screen. I'm also going to have a couple links down in the description box below, so go check it out there. Also, go to the description box below. Just in general, you guys, there's a lot of good stuff down there. Like I said, the link to the credit card is going to be down there as well, so don't forget to check that out. But that is everything, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.